Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to go over the new bike inventions that are at another level. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most amazing inventions I've ever seen. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new videos. 9. CERPAN. The lockable bicycle garage Ceratom one has been the most popular model. It is mainly used by apartment owners associations and apartment buildings, as well as companies and public institutions. A stylish eye-catcher garage in front of your house or your company. It is space-saving two-wheel parking for residents, customers or employees. It's also ideal for scooters, rollators, electric vehicles, strollers etc. Anti-theft bicycle parking, thanks to its safety lock and impact-resistant special plastic. 8. BIGREP GMBH. Printing elastomers in a 3D printer has been a difficult obstacle for additive manufacturing, so it's unique to be able to create objects that retain durability, flexibility and damping. That of course is why you can build up an airless tire, layer by layer, unlike the more conventional solutions already in the market that require complicated molding and post-processing techniques. The final result is an airless tire that flexes like a rubber tire. Thanks to its layered honeycomb design, which can get whatever tread design you need simply printed onto its casing. And it requires no additional processing after being printed. _7. SNOWGO. SNOWGO bike merges skiing with downhill mountain biking. The familiar motions of mountain bike riding are paired with snow skis designed for all types of snow conditions, creating an experience for riders of any skill level. Experienced snow sports enthusiasts, as well as those who are new to the slopes, will find SNOWGO equally exciting, and easy to learn and enjoy. Whether you want to enjoy a low-impact, scenic day on the mountain or a day of shredding the hill with your friends, this bike is the ideal choice. _6. Crown roller. Bicycle rollers are a type of bicycle trainer that makes it possible to ride a bicycle indoors without moving forward. However, unlike other types of bicycle trainers, rollers do not attach to the bicycle frame, and the rider must balance him or herself on the rollers while training. Balancing the bicycle without riding off the rollers is an extra challenge for the rider and requires much more balance and attention than bicycle trainers. The spacing of bicycle rollers can usually be adjusted to match the bicycle's wheelbase. 5. VARIBIKE. When you are riding on VARIBIKE, your whole body is in motion. Your body is warmed even due to proper circulation. This protects you against cooling and tension in undercooled muscle groups. VARIBIKing exercises your whole body. Besides your legs, you also exercise your arms, chest, shoulders, and torso. The impact on fitness and physique correspondence is high. You move from A to B, and you practically have your gym with you. Simple and effective, especially as it gets. 4. LINKA, the world's first auto-unlocking bike lock. The original LINKA Smart Bike Lock features sophisticated keyless access and award-winning strength. This is a Bluetooth-enabled smart bike lock you can rely on, approved, and recognized as the world's best. LINKA with added internal steel security, approved for bicycle insurance coverage in Germany, Netherlands and Belgium.
Three. Trust Performance. Trust Performance was started by sort of a bike industry dream team. The Utah-based brand's introductory product was a 130mm linkage suspension fork called the Message. The idea is to approach front suspension the way we approach rear suspension, by taking into account axle path and leverage curve, while also increasing stiffness, effectively eliminating bushing friction, and introducing a dynamic offset measurement optimized for wherever you are in the travel. You can catch up on our impressions after spending 3 months on the Message. Two. The ALINKER. The ALINKER is a non-motorized walking bike without pedals. With an adjustable saddle and handlebars, it is custom designed to challenge society's assumptions about disability. So the ALINKER is designed for how we want to live, regardless of mobility challenges. It is for everyone who wants to maintain an active life regardless of their movement abilities. One. MORPHER Foldable Helmet. Finally someone has made a folding helmet. There have been a few on the market before that have collapsed a bit, but this is the first one that truly folds almost flat. It is lightweight and could easily fit in a purse or small bag, which makes it perfect for bike commuters. The MORPHER has generally received good reviews. It has received numerous awards for innovation.